Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So in today's video I will continue the series on advanced filtering. So more specifically, I'll be showing you how to filter only the unique values within a column. So if, let's say, I want to filter the unique values within the main category, I'll come to the advanced option here. When I click on it, then you see two options available: filter the list in place, copy to another location. So I'll simply click on copy to another location, and then the list range, of course, is the D column. Then you should copy to which location. So we want it to copy to U2, the cell U2. Okay, so I'll click on cell U2. So I need only the unique records. When I check that, and then I'll click OK. So when you check the U column, you can see these are the unique values within the main category. The major limitation with this is that you cannot copy to another workbook. Okay, it's going to produce an error. If we are to do that, let's say we come back again with this. Let's do it with the category column. We click on advanced, click on copy to another location. Of course, okay, this should be C, and then copy to, and then let's say I want to, okay, let me check the unique records, and then I want to copy to book 1, for instance. I click on book 1. Okay, let me check this and then copy to book 1. So if I click on A2, for instance, watch what happens. Okay, can you see? It says you can only copy filter data to the active sheet. So that is the major limitation with filtering unique values from a particular column. So this will be the last video on filtering and advanced filtering. See you in my next video.